Want to make your first $1,000 online, but don't know where to start? Forget complicated websites and expensive software. Today, I am going to show you how to use a platform called Whop to launch a digital product business from scratch and get your first sales faster than you ever thought possible. This isn't just theory. This is the exact blueprint I'd use if I were starting over today with 0 followers. So, if you're ready to turn your knowledge into income, stick around. So, what exactly is Whop? Imagine if Shopify, Patreon, and Gumroad had a baby. That's Whop. It's an all-in-one platform built for creators and entrepreneurs who want to sell digital goods without the headache. You can sell anything from memberships and courses to simple digital downloads, access to private to muties best bar. It's incredibly beginner-friendly. You don't need to know how to code, and you don't even need your own website. Whop handles everything for you: the payment processing, the secure delivery of your product, and managing customer access. It's like having a full-time assistant working for you. 24/7. One of the biggest hurdles for new sellers is the technical setup. This is where Whop truly shines. You can literally go from having an idea to a fully functional, ready-to-sell product in minutes. Let's say you have a guide you want to sell. You just create a product page, upload your file, set your price, and you're live. It's that simple. Whop also integrates seamlessly with the tools you're probably already using, like Discord, Telegram, and Google Drive. This means if you're selling access to a private Discord community, Whop automatically adds the customer when they buy and removes them if they cancel their subscription. No more manual invites or kicking people out one by one. It's a game changer for managing communities and memberships, saving you hours of administrative work. Now, let's talk about what actually sells on Whop. The possibilities are huge. But some products are almost guaranteed winners for beginners. First, ebooks and guides. Think how-to content, business tips, fitness plans, or recipe collections. If you have expertise in any area, you can package it into a PDF and sell it. Second, Notion templates or digital planners. The organization and productivity niche is massive. People will gladly pay for a well-designed template that saves them time. Third, and this is a big one, private communities. You can create a paid Discord or Telegram group for mentorship, exclusive content, or networking. This is perfect for building a recurring revenue stream. Fourth, you can bundle videos into courses or tutorials. If you're a good teacher, people will pay for structured video lessons. And finally, if you're a coder, you can sell software, tools, or scripts. The key is to sell something that solves a specific problem for a specific audience. Okay, so you have a product idea. How do you actually make money, especially if you have no followers? This is the million-dollar question, and the answer is simpler than you think. The first step is to niche down. Don't try to sell to everyone. Instead of making money online, focus on side hustles for college students or lead generation for home repair contractors. A specific audience is easier to find and market to. Once you have your niche, you need to go where your audience hangs out. This is your promotion strategy. Forget running expensive ads. If you found this helpful, I have a complete guide available and link to your Whop page. This is called value-based marketing, and it works wonders. Another crucial tip for getting those first sales is to create a low-cost entry product. Nobody knows you yet, so it's hard to convince someone to spend $50 on your course. Start with a tripwire offer. TCA, high-value, low-cost product, usually priced between $5 and $20. It could be a small guide, a checklist, or a single template. The goal here isn't to get rich. It's to build trust and prove that your products are high quality. Once someone buys from you and has a great experience, they are 10 times more likely to buy a more expensive product from you later. You can then upsell them to a full course, a premium, membership, or a coaching call. This strategy builds a ladder of value for your customers and a sustainable income for you. Now, for my favorite part about Whop, something that gives beginners a massive advantage, the Whop Discover page. Think of this as Whop's own marketplace, kind of like the Amazon or Etsy search results. It is a place where hundreds of thousands of active buyers are browsing for digital products and communities every single day. If your product page gets listed on Discover, you get access to a constant stream of free, organic traffic. These are customers who are literally looking for something to buy. So, how do you get listed? It's actually pretty straightforward. Whop wants to feature high-quality, legitimate sellers. This means you need good branding, a clean logo, and a professional-looking banner. You need a clear, well-written description that explains exactly what the customer gets. And you need at least one verified product or community. Follow these guidelines, and you have a great chance of getting featured, which can completely transform your sales overnight. It's like having a free marketing team working for you. Making the first sale is exciting. But the real secret to building a six-figure business is turning one-time buyers into repeat customers. It costs way more to acquire a new customer than to sell to an existing one. Whop has built-in features that help you do this. First, focus on increasing the lifetime value of each customer. If you sell a membership, don't just take their money and disappear. Offer regular updates, host private Q&A sessions, or drop bonus content to keep them engaged and subscribed. People will happily continue paying if they feel they're getting consistent value. Second, build your own audience. Don't rely solely on Whop's traffic. Every time someone buys from you, you should aim to get them onto your email list or into your free Discord community. This creates a direct line of communication. Next, promote your product by providing value in online communities where your target audience hangs out. Start with a low-cost offer to build trust and get your first sales. Then, work on getting listed on the Whop Discover page for a flood of free traffic. Finally, focus on keeping your customers happy and build your own community to ensure long-term success. This is the roadmap to your first $1,000 and beyond. The tools are here. The strategy is clear. The only thing left is for you to take action. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide gave you the clarity and confidence to start your digital product journey. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building your online business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Now go out there and start building